Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So how you can fix this error. So now for fixing it, first thing you need to try just go to the settings, just open the settings, just find here airplane mode, just tap on turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So it will restore your career. If it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just open your mobile or cellular data, just turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just find here software update, just check for update. If you have available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So another thing you can try, just tap on shutdown in the general and just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just go to the general again, just find here reset, just tap on reset and just choose reset network settings. So and if you still have this error, so the latest way you can try is just made force restart on your phone. So just it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X. If you have another model, just find in internet what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So just on iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 you just need to press high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So after just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So if you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.